How to put videos side by side in CapCut. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Launch your CapCut application. Here you can see I have already added one video. But in order to add another video on its side, what you have to do is go to the plus icon and import another video. Simply tap and add. Now you will have to add this video as an overlay actually. Let's check by adding an overlay. Now as you can see, this is now an overlay, so make this small in size and maintain it as if it will be in side by side ratio. So that's it, like this. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.